Knitted fabric texture, seamless pattern. Let's start with drawing a horizontal stroke and rotate it 45 degrees. Increase the stroke weight, let's say to 15. Now, this stroke will be representing the smallest repeating pattern of the knitting yarn. Object, pattern, and make. Now, we are in the pattern option panel. If I zoom in a little bit more, you can see the blue outlined seamless pattern border better. Make sure the stroke is selected and open the stroke panel and round the caps and corners of the stroke. Effect, distort and transform. Select zigzag. Increase the size so that both ends of overlap and select the smooth option for points. Increase or decrease the ridges to define the density of the knit yarns in order to create this knitted texture. I prefer the denser version here, but what if we need to create a loose knit look? From the Appearance tab, click on the small arrowhead icon and click on the zigzag effect once. Decrease the ridges. Now the knitted loops look looser, but it does not look like a seamless pattern anymore. To overcome this, we need to adjust the stroke size. Select the Direct Selection tool and reposition the anchor points of the stroke so that it would like knitting loops. We have created knitted fabric texture seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Let's place these patterns on a women's jacket flat sketch and see how it would look. Thanks for watching.